Infrared thermal imager. For orders please check video description. RX108ST. This is the video. For orders please check video description. Okay, night vision, infrared thermal imager, outdoor hunting, thermal camera, monocular telescopic sight lens. 15 sold, 5 reviews and ratings 5. This is the price, 45% off. That means $1,872 real price after 45% off. This is the discount price, only $1,030. Wow. Now I share with you some picture about this product. Okay, this is one. Another picture, this is functional picture, photo show, outdoor observation hunting. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders please check video description.